Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create EQ Bank online banking account on PC. EQ Bank is online based bank in Canada. To create EQ Bank online banking account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.eqbank.ca. CA stands for Country Code of Canada. Then press on Enter. With this, you will be taken to official website of EQ Bank. Here you can change the language of the website by clicking on FR option on the top. With this, your language will be changed into French. Now here you can see Create an Account option on top right section of the website. Click on Create an Account option. Then here you will be taken to registration page. Now to create your EQ Bank online banking account, you must be a Canadian citizen and meet the age of majority. After this, here you need to first enter your first name on the given box. Then you need to enter your last name on the given box. After this, you need to enter your email address that you want to use to create your account. With this, once view the privacy agreement, then click on Continue option. Now here you'll receive an passcode on your inbox on your Gmail. So once open your inbox, then look for the mail sent by EQ Bank. Then click on the given mail and then here you can see the passcode. Now copy the given passcode. Then go back to EQ Bank tab and then paste the given code that you have just copied. After this, click on Verify option. With this, your email address will be verified. Now here you need to enter your mobile phone number on the given box. Then you need to click on the box stating this is my trusted mobile device. Use this number to protect my account option. Then you need to click on Send Passcode option. After this, you'll receive a passcode on your phone number through message. So enter the given passcode that has been sent to you. After this, click on the option of Verify. With this, your mobile phone number will be verified. Then, you will be continued with the further process of entering your personal information including your address, date of birth, as well as you need to verify your ID. You need to enter your social insurance number. After this, you need to create your password and confirm your password. With this, you need to agree to all the terms and conditions and then you'll be able to create your EQ Bank online banking account. This is how we can create EQ Bank online account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.